something, you don't even have to agree with them, you don't even have to answer them, you don't even have. Hello guys, it's Forever Looney here, and today I want to speak to you guys in regards to, being open for ideas. Okay, I do know that a lot of people, when they go out there to the world and when they go and buy things, when the salesman come and approach you saying that, there's this technology, that technology and stuff, you guys will have this automatic gut and you'll be like, no, I don't think so, the gut is up, okay? So you don't know that you have all these things, right? And you are closed for ideas. So today, let's just say that maybe you're a manager of a company and this employee comes up to you and he says, hey manager, I got this new idea. And you'll be like, no, okay, tell me your idea, come. But I can really see that, you are rejecting ideas because you're already folding your arms, and through the physical context, through physical whatever that I'm seeing here, I know that you're not interested. Okay, so you have to be open for ideas because sometimes other people that are looking around you, they are singing more things. Let's just say that, when I was actually starting up my own e-commerce, usually I would ask for customer advice. Reason being is because the customers are receiving the item. I do not see the item. If the customer do not give me their advice and they do not give me their reviews, I will never ever understand how my product is gonna be. Let's just say that they receive something and they say, hey, the dish is green. Okay, maybe that's one lucky guy. But however, if 5 people tell me the same exact thing, then there is something wrong with my own product, and that's how I know my product have an issue. And that is how I learn. If my customers tell me that, hey, your product is green, and I'll be like, no, definitely I ordered for blue and I trust my supplier, so I'm not gonna accept that, okay? I'm not gonna give you a refund, I'm not gonna give you anything. Because a lot of people, they happen to make mistakes when they are actually planning for things. Even employees, even when I go to managements and stuff like that, I do see all these things happening over and over again. If you are not open for ideas, let's just say that this is you, this is your brain, and this is what you're thinking. So you only know what is around you and maybe inside this thing, and maybe you know something that is maybe way outside here. But can you see everything that is outside there? Can you see things that is around you, that is around everywhere that you have been? Do you know how much dust is in this place? You never know, right? But however, if a scientist come up and tell you that's where you know. If you go and research, if you go and find out, that's where you know. So do not let yourself come up with the things thinking like, I know everything. No, you don't know. You have to be open for ideas. You're gonna let people tell you. Listen. You just have to listen. You just have to spend 2 to 3 minutes listening to a plan, and then you can derive new things. A lot of times we meet up with dead end. A lot of time we hit the wall. A lot of time we bang the wall. And then when we fail too much time, we start to doubt whether we are on the right track, whether we are doing the right job, whether we are doing the right thing. Be open for ideas. When people start telling you, you are able to change, you are able to pivot yourself, you are able to change direction. So maybe today when I start hitting the wall and I tell myself, I don't think so, I don't think I'm good, and then I start asking people, hey, what do you all feel about this? And once they start telling me their ideas, I can start deriving pointers. I can join up mind maps. I can say, okay, if I have to go out in this coronavirus, how am I gonna be 100% safe? Okay, but I don't know. I only have masks. I only know I can wear masks. Then suddenly you start having people telling you like, hey, you are able to actually get a full protection suit. You can actually get a full yellow suit to cover you up. You can get a dino suit to cover you up. You can just go through drive-in while driving, so you will not have personal contact with other people. There's way too much things. There's way too much information out there. Today, if you're not open for ideas, you feel like, I know everything. This is everything I know. I just want to be at a place where I know everything. Okay? Soon you will start meeting up with things. Soon you will start meeting up with dead ends. And soon you will start losing things. Do not lay yourself in situations like that. It's gonna damage you, it's gonna destroy you, it's gonna kill all your self-confidence and your confidence around. So do not lay yourself in situations like that, okay? Be open, accept When people are telling you ideas, accept them. You don't have to agree. You don't have to say that, no, you're wrong, you're definitely wrong. I mean, there is no harm listening to what people are saying. It will only benefit you when you listen for that few minutes and you derive new ideas. Let's just say that today, being a normal person, okay, and this fireman comes here and teach me, hey, if there is fire, and there's smoke, you better hide down, stay low, and find an exit fast, so you will not breathe in too much smoke, which is harmful for your body and it might even knock you out. Okay, if I go there and I be arrogant, I say, no, I know how to fight fire, I'm a firefighter too, I'm a fireman too, I'm this, I'm that, and when in any case of real fire and you panic and you don't know what you're supposed to do, that's where you're gonna lose your life. So you guys have to know, be open, you just have to accept whatever people are saying. You don't even have to agree with them. You don't even have to answer them. You don't even have to, tell them that, oh no, you're wrong, you're this, you're that. You don't even have to do that. You just need more ideas. You need more people to help you think. You need people to generate things for you. If it's doable, you do it. If it's not doable, ignore it. What more will you lose? Hey, hi guys, my name is Prabal Looney. Thank you so much for watching this video, alright? If you feel that you enjoy this video, okay, please do me a favor by liking and subscribing to my channel, okay? Share with your friends on Facebook, I'm gonna put out all these videos, every social media accounts that I have, alright? Like this video, share with your friends. I hope that you guys can actually find a direction in your life. If you want to be happy, just be happy. I'll see you guys on the next video.